my lovelies. And you, can I go? Yeah. You join me in Llandudno, next door to the...
right onto Tagwin Road.
Right next door to the tram rails.
In a quarter of a mile, turn right onto St. Tubno's Road.
And we are heading very much uphill. And the last time I tried to come up here, I didn't get all that much further than this before I and a number of other people got stuck behind a buffooning motorhome and our clutches burned out. Oh, there's the halfway tram station. I've got no idea if the car park up at the top is open. It's a while since I've done this. Oh my god. Hello you lot, shall I just drive around you? That's grand. You just stand there. That's the ticket. There we go. We're okay. You got over to one side of the road, guys. I could just squeeze past you. Right, okay. I see. Here's an overtaking opportunity. Oh. Okay, well, it was an opportunity. No, it's not. Believe it or not, this is the summit of the Great Orme. It's pitch black, it's raining, you can't see a thing. So I'm going to get back in the car and go back down to civilization. Okay, having made it to the top of the Great Orme, it's now time to try and make it back down the Great Orme. I can't remember how to get out of here. What a surreal experience. Oh, I'm not the only one who had this idea. There's another car coming up. This on the left is the top tram station. For those who don't know, there's a tram that comes right up here and some cable cars. You're welcome. Tramways. Let's see if I can put my lights on it. Tramway's just there, look. I think you can probably see that. And we're going to head down the hill. And annoyingly, that bloody car's followed me. I don't need headlights in my rear view mirror. Now, ordinarily, I would go back down Marine Drive, but I understand it's closed at the moment. Marine Drive is the, well, kind of be pointless this time of night, I suppose. Marine Drive takes you right around the head. Incredibly scenic, in daylight anyway. It is a toll road though, you have to pay. Stay there, sheep. Let them go past. They're young lads, they probably want to go quicker than I do. There's a mine around here. That's the road on the left, that's the road that takes you around to Marine Drive. Now on the left here, that's the halfway station. When you get a tram up here, you have to change trams at halfway. The line is split. Ooh. Again, you can see the tramway on the left, and possibly you can see flat. Oh, hello. I think we might deploy some manual gearbox here, my lovelies. Oh, that's beautiful. Oh God, can you see? You're not going to see that, are you? Oh, you can just see the curve of Llandudno Bay. Absolutely beautiful. Coming up. Oh, another car coming up. You're welcome. You'll get another glimpse of the bay here, possibly. Or possibly you were... Oh, God, that's lovely. That's absolutely lovely. Bendy Wendy. And here we are dropping down into the town of Llandudno itself. For those who don't know, Llandudno is a charming Victorian resort town on the north coast of Wales. Let's have a look along the seafront, shall we? The Grand Hotel there in the distance. It's not so grand these days, in all honesty. There's a pier there. And the last time I was here with Boo and Little Miss, there was a Punch and Judy show. Then there are some fantastic buildings along here. This used to be a very well-to-do resort back in the day. Now, there used to be, there might still be, there's at least one exquisite boutique hotel in Llandudno, as fine as any hotel I've stayed in anywhere in the world, and that's where I went on my honeymoon with the artist formerly known as Mrs. Boaty. It's also one of the most expensive hotels I've ever stayed in the world. God, it was amazing. It had 3 floors and each floor was a suite, and that was it. There were no rooms, just 3 floors, each one a suite, and it was extraordinary. It really was. How times have changed. I'm staying in a Travelodge in Rhyl. Oh, this is nice. I'm glad I did this. And there we go. That was my mad little excursion to Llandudno. Of course, I really should have done this in summer when it would have still been light now, but as a mad thing to do on a whim, why not? Why not? Mr. Rockabody, 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 Mr. Rockabody,
Boats would like to express his heartfelt appreciation to his amazing channel members. Your support means the world to him, you're all fucking legends and he thanks you from the heart of his bottom. Channel membership are now available from just 99 pence per month. Thanks also to everyone who supported the channel in other ways with super chat, super thanks or just by watching the videos and leaving your knob alone when the advert come on. If you are new to this channel, please consider subscribing. It's completely free, easy to do, and it will make boats clutch his little tinkle with excitement when he sees his subscriber number increase. And if you enjoyed this video, or any others, please do stroke that like button gently but firmly, and leave a comment. If you can't think of anything to say, just tell him which is your favorite Frebento pie. I like the steak and gravy. If both tasted as good as one of those I wouldn't have left him. See you on the next video. Oh, and I'm not wearing any panties.
Mr. George Rajapati. Mr. George Rajapati. Mr. Rajapati. Mr. George Rajapati. Mr. Rajapati. Mr. George Rajapati.
Name's Rajapati. Mr. George Rajapati.